Hey everybody, it's Angelique Sorrell. Welcome to my channel where I give DIY design tutorials and creative marketing tips for creative businesses, brands, and entrepreneurs. Today is day 4 of a 6-day series where I am teaching you all about how to start and design your online business. And today's topic is how to effectively design for your business. So if you're ready to get into my personal tips and tricks, keep watching and let's get into this video. So the first thing I want you to do when designing for your business is I want you to choose an effective color palette. And an effective color palette does not include colors that are your favorite. For instance, if blue is your favorite color, you can't just put that in your color palette just because it's your favorite. No one cares that blue is your favorite color. I'm sorry, but I have to tell you. So you need to choose colors that have meaning through information like your target audience. What colors interest them depending on their gender, their age, their location, things like that. Also, do some research on your competitors. If they're targeting similar audiences, what colors are they using to grab their attention? Okay, so next I want you to do some color psych research because every color has a different meaning and if used properly can help you portray your brand the way that you intended to. So I want to give you a few examples. So red gives off feelings of youthfulness, excitement, urgency, and green gives off feelings of health, nature, prosperity. Okay, and blue gives off feelings of trust, loyalty, strength. And black gives off feelings of luxury and sophistication, things like that, okay? And I want you to check out these websites. I'll leave the links below for you, but do some research on your color psych and dig deep into what different colors mean and how you can associate those colors with your business. Which leads me to my next point in the fact that you also have to consider your brand message and your value proposition and what colors can you associate with the promise that you're making to your customers. I just want you guys to think about that. After you've established an effective color palette, it's time to start creating your logo and favicon. And if you don't know what a favicon is, it's a smaller version of your logo and sometimes even just an icon that was a part of your logo that is shown in the address bar on the web, and it's also shown if someone saves your website to their bookmarks list, for example. So you ultimately have 3 choices when going about designing and developing your logo and favicon. Okay, so you can 1, hire a designer like myself to design your logo and favicon using things like your target audience, your brand message, value proposition, and the overall tone of your brand. Or you can use third-party logo makers like Placeit, which they'll help you make a logo for under $40. But I do want you to keep in mind that this is not going to be the end all to be all for your business, but it will help you when you're just starting out. And I'll leave the link below because they also do have mock-ups for ebooks and devices, and they also offer social templates and things like that for your business. I'll leave the link below so you can check them out. They're really cool. But do take that into consideration when you're thinking about designing a logo if you want to use a third-party logo maker. So if you don't want to use expensive softwares like Adobe Illustrator to create a professional looking logo, you can use softwares like Canva. And if you try out their premium version for 14 days, you can get a transparent background version of your logo for free. And lastly, I'd like to tell you how you can stay consistent with your brand design. And the first thing I want to say is that you should consider creating a brand or mood board for your business. Your brand board includes your logo, your alt logo, your favicon, your fonts, and your color palette, whereas your mood board includes textures, patterns, and photos relevant to your business. Both are centered around the overall mood of your business and incorporate things like your brand voice, message, and color palette, but it also is a perfect reference document for your business, especially if you decide to hire someone to design for your business later on. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below if you'd like me to do a video on how to create a free brand and mood board with Canva. Also, I want you guys to create social templates or templates in general for your social media and your blog post images, so that way your audience can identify you through the crowd. And what I mean by this, for example, would be if you participate in things like Motivational Monday, where you post a quote every Monday morning, same time. You want to create a template around that post so that way it's identifiable through the crowd and your audience will be able to identify that this post came from you even before they scroll down and see that it is from your page. So I want you guys to think about that. And that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that this was helpful. And if you want to get today's assignment, definitely look in the description. The link will be there, and it includes all the questions you should ask yourself when designing for your business, as well as helpful links that should help you get started. And tomorrow we will be discussing how to get started with WordPress when you want to create a website for your business. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see me do more videos like this, definitely subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below what you want to see me do next, okay? I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.